Hi friends, it's Sandra from Sing Play Create. I have a super fun music and movement activity to share with you using the song The Gingerbread Man. This is an original song I wrote, and it's just sung to the familiar story that you all know and love. And your kids will love it too. I'm going to take you through some easy steps that anyone can use at home or at school. Be sure to check the description because I have a free resource that goes with this, and there's also a product you can get that has all the materials so you can use this to teach to your children. Now's a good time to hit the subscribe button too. The song has a repeating chorus that everyone is going to be able to sing, and it's super easy. Even 4-year-olds can do this. And then it has 3 different verses with a pig, a cow, and a horse. And they're all going to chase the gingerbread man. Let's listen to just the first verse of the song so you can hear the melody and how it's going to go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, run! Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man.
So we're making this easy and we're making it doable in a very short amount of time. So we're going to look at that chorus. Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. So we'll have a little call and response going here between adult and child. So a fun way to teach those lyrics would be for the adult or teacher to say, run, run as fast as you can. And then the kids say, you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. After you do that 1 or 2 times, they're going to get it pretty fast. You could add in some actions. Run, run as fast as you can. Big feet, have them run in place. Take a deep breath. And then let them go, you can't catch me, or you can catch me. I'm the gingerbread man, or I'm the gingerbread man. And act big, have fun, and just really encourage them to enjoy the movement as well as singing the song. Then it's time to introduce the characters in the story. So first, we're going to find the little piggy, and you can use a puppet, a picture, or like I said in the product, there's all these materials to use to teach the song. Or just make a little piggy. Oink, oink, oink. Can everybody make a little piggy? Oink, oink, oink. And just have them act it out. You don't need to go and spend time preparing to enjoy and have fun and make this a memorable activity. So the piggy says, can you hang around? Let's have the kids say that line. The piggy oinks, can you hang around? And don't worry about the other words. That's too much for little ones. Let's just do what the piggy says. And then the gingerbread man is going to respond, no, he can't do it. I'd get too muddy in your piggy sty. And then have all the kids go oink, 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 like they're sad because the gingerbread man said no. Then we cut to the chorus. Now in the kids' video, I've added in a countdown activity. Let's just do countdown with our hands right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, run. And then you're gonna do the run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Next is the cow. And let's all do a big moo, moo, moo. Oh wow, we've got a great sounding group of cows here today. Let's all moo together. 1, 2, 3. Moo! So we're using our singing voices now. So we've got our cows in the pasture and the gingerbread man comes along. Next he saw a brown cow in a pasture green. The brown cow mooed, can you play with me? So that's the line we're going to have the kids say. Can you play with me? The gingerbread man says no. And the brown cow starts to cry. He moos and starts to cry. Okay? So have everybody go, moo, 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 cry, cry, cry. All right? Now I'll do some of this with the song. These are just the teaching ways to get through those lyrics and how you can work with the kids. Instead of just saying copy the words back to me, we're going to act a story out. Make it fun. Then comes the horsey. He's galloping by. The horsey neighs, want to take a ride? So let's gallop and neigh like a horse. Neigh, neigh. You know, and if you need to take more time, hey, this is a great time to do it. We can neigh and gallop in a circle. We can follow the head, the teacher, the parent in a line and neigh around the house or in the yard. And then you can come back and say, the horsey neighed, want to take a ride. So have everybody echo that back to you. Want to take a ride? The gingerbread man laughed as he quickly ran on by. The horsey neighed, everybody neigh, neigh, and snorted with a sigh. What is a snort? No, it's not a fart, it's a snort. He's snorting through his nose. They can all make their funny, silly, horsey, snorting faces. And then, of course, then we're going to go to the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, run. And then do the chorus. Run, run as fast as you can. You can catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Okay, so have them make up a cute dance, sing through the chorus. And then at the end of the song, the chorus repeats. And they're just going to do it. You can do it faster. Run faster. Run, run as fast as you can. You gotta catch me. All right, and so they can't catch the gingerbread man. He gets away. He gets to go back to Cookie Land and be the king gingerbread man. After you go through the storytelling, you can pull up the song file or the video on the YouTube channel and you can have them act it out with the music. Then it's gonna be time to calm down. Let's sit down. Let's talk about the story. Here's where we're going to bring in some sequencing. Which animal was the first animal he met? Okay, and go through the story. Who was the next one? It was the cow. What did the cow say? Moo. Did the gingerbread man stop to play? And let them answer the questions. And then what's the next one? The horsey. And how does the horsey run? A horse gallops. Can everybody show me your gallop if you want them to get up and do that? Or just stay down. Can everybody neigh like a horse? Can everybody snort like a horse? Snort, snort. Does the gingerbread man get caught? Does anybody catch him? Do you think we could catch the gingerbread man? And then let them tell, a little story, make up something about how they think they could catch the gingerbread man. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to listen to the song, and then we're going to do some storytelling and learn about the movement and some of the words. Then we're going to do the actions and the movement together. And then finally, we're going to talk about the story and the sequence of events. I'm now going to share a couple of different ways you can use this if you're teaching or you're in a music classroom. This song has a really nice steady beat. So whether you're at home or school, you can have the kids clap or pat the beat. And when they're patting, they can just pat their knees, gentle patting on the chest, clapping their hands, and just feel the beat to the song. And that's a really good music learning skill that you can help children develop. So if you're in the music room or you have scarves and you can use them, you could use scarves on this song. So you could have the kids sing the words, project the words up, have them sing the words, and then on the chorus, run, run as fast as you can. They could wave their scarves. Run, run, fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. And at the end of the song, when you're all done, you can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Toss in the air and let them fall to the floor. So we're gonna sing the words And we still have scarves in our hands. So one thing I like to do is have them hold the scarves in both hands. The gingerbread man was made of dough, from the top of his head right down to his toes. When he was baked all nice and brown, he jumped from the oven and ran through town. And then have them split them. Run as fast as you can and do that part. Then they have to get them in their two hands again. And they're ready to sing verse 2. He saw a little piggy so pink and round, and so on through the whole song. On the very last chorus, it does repeat, so you could have them do something different on that one. Run and spin it. As fast as you can catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Switch directions. All right, that's going to get a lot of energy burn doing that song with the scarves. No matter where you're using this song, you can use the retell the story at the end of all of your activities. This could be while they're coloring the picture of the gingerbread man and you're just casually talking about it. Or it could be in the classroom and they're raising their hands and answering your questions. It's just another way to help them with storytelling and sequencing. And the movement and the music is going to help them make these connections and make them better learners, better readers, better thinkers. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get notification of the new music and movement activity videos that I put out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the freebie. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.
Sing, play, create.